Hi guys, so ito yung main account ko kay Tron 2019. So, yung income ko dito, bumaba din siya na halos wala na tayong nakukuhang profit kasi 0.07% lang siya. So, ayan, ito yung pinakamatagal kong account. Maybe it's on my 21st day na dito sa account na to. And nabawi ko naman na yung capital dito. So, nakakahinayang lang kasi I still have 160 days maybe para makompleto yung contract. So, in-upgrade ko to into 1,000 capital. Kaya naging 100 TRX yung kinokollect ko nung November 24 and 25. And then, nung November 26, ayan, nag-start na siyang bumaba sa 0.07%. So, hanggang sa nakakollect na ako ng 2, 4, 6 days na ganyan lang kaliit. So, bumabawi lang to sa referrals. Ayan. So, isa lang yung referral nito sa main, sa level 1. And then, lahat na sa level 2 na, tsaka level 3. So, hindi ko na to kinumplain sa support. Kasi yung other account ko naman is earning daily. So, ngayon ang gagawin ko dito, lalagyan ko siya ng activity kasi yun yung sabi ng support, kailangan mong magkaroon ng activity sa account para bumalik yung unti-unting bumalik sa 10% daily. Kasi nakakahinayang 180 days tayo magko-collect ng earnings dito from our capital. Pero kung 0.0 something percent lang, hindi tayo nagpo-profit. So may other option para magkaroon ng activities yung account. It's either mag-reinvest ka through cyclical investing. Wag na sa smart investment kasi meron ka naman ng running na yung unang capital mo. Yun nga lang, bumaba yung percentage niya. So, pag dito ka sa cyclical investment, ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka ng activity sa account mo and at the same time, kikita ka pa. Kikita yung another deposit mo dito. So, kung hindi ka nagre-recruit, kung hindi ka nagre-refer, this is the other option na pwede mong gawin. So, meron akong dineposit na worth 22.72 USDT na TRX. So, total of 221. And ilalagay ko siya dito sa cyclical investing. Ayan. Wherein kikita to ng 3.25% for 3 days. So, kunin natin yung pinakamababang days lang. Ito yon yung 3 days. So, ibig sabihin, in 3 days malalock up yung capital na to. And then, mag-generate siya ng 3% daily. So, ibig sabihin, in 3 days, ayan, nandito naman siya. Pag kinlik mo, makikita mo yung details. So, ibig sabihin, 3.65% per day. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yan, 3.65% per day. Ito yung total na ma-earn natin in 3 days. So, total income of, i-type muna natin pala yung amount dito kasi 1 lang yung nakalagay. So, kung ano yung balance mo dyan, itatype mo dito, 221.65. Ayan. So, makikita na natin yung computation niya dito sa baba. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, mag-earn tayo ng 245.92 TRX. So, in 3 days to guys. Ayan. At least magkakaroon tayo ng activity sa account na to. So, i-compute natin 245.92. So, magiging 25.44 yung 22 USDT natin in 3 days. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kikita pa rin siya ng like $3 or less than $3. So, not bad pa rin kasi parang binoost lang natin yung account natin para magkaroon ng activities. And who knows, kasi yung isang account ko, nung ginawan ko ng ganyan, tumaas ng konti yung daily percentage niya. So, nadoble yung daily percentage niya. So, hopefully, this account ay magkaroon din siya ng improvement or changes sa daily percentage. Kasi, kung hindi natin gagawa ng activity yung account, so mag-stay siya sa 0.07 or 0.08%. So, wala tayong ma-earn. So, wala na, kumbaga, useless na yung earnings natin. And wala naman tayong magagawa kasi naka-lock in siya for 180 days. Okay, so I'm talking about the smart account, guys. So, sa smart investment, I mean. So, ayun, kaya ang ginawa natin, gagawa tayo ng activity or para magkaroon ng progress yung account. So, nag-invest tayo sa cyclical investing, which is good naman kasi nagpe-pay si Tron 2019 instant. Okay, nakita natin yan. I have proof na up until now, yung withdrawals natin is very instant. So, that's the good news naman dito kay Tron 2019. So, that's how you do it, guys. You can try that too with small amount and see if magbabago yung daily percentage nyo. So, for those people lang na naka-experience ng decrease sa daily percentage, yung iba naman is continuous pa rin yung 10% nila daily. So, just don't forget to collect your earnings every day and withdraw. Alright? So, that's all. And keep in touch, guys. Please follow my page as well as my YouTube channel. Doon ako nag-upload ng mga updates natin with regards to these projects. So, thank you so much again. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.